Okay, guys, this is me, Jovi, and I want to be on YouTube and things. So I look at people on YouTube like my friend Michael Haney, and I saw him talking about himself on YouTube. So that's why I didn't want to be on YouTube because the last time Cause the last time I saw my friend on YouTube named Alex, he was a YouTuber, and I know that his friends are Michael Dehaney, Jovi Allen, which that's me, Alex, Nicholas, Dante. He has 5 friends. I think it's more. We go to the same school, like Lanaman Preparatory School. You should watch out and make your kids go there and stuff. Anyways, this is the end. This is the end, and next time subscribe, please, because my friend named Nicholas, he's popular muscle than me. Later peeps. Later peeps.